Brownie.
That's really disgusting.
That was worse.
He was so good.
Oh God.
Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here today. We are doing another taste test showdown to find out what is the best fudge brownie mix brand. So this is another episode in a fun series I have here on the channel where I have a bunch of friends and family come over for a blind taste test to rate and compare brownie samples A, B, and C so we can find out which really is the best box brownie mix brand. There are so many different types of brownie mixes at the grocery store. Which one would you choose? Well, today we're gonna find out which one reigns supreme. So we're rating these on everything from price to ingredients, ease, appearance, and of course taste to find out which really is worth it and which are just a total waste of time and money. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I love you forever and ever. And I wanna know, what do you guys wanna see in the next Taste Test Showdown? Leave me a comment down below letting me know what we should try next. So I tried to use the most common or the most popular options out there, and I didn't use any of my own recipes to keep it fair so the participants could feel free to be brutally honest. So first I had everybody take samples A, B, and C onto their plate, and then came the good part. I let them dig in and give them a taste, and they had no idea what they were tasting, like if these were store-bought, if they were homemade recipes. All they knew is they were comparing the appearance and the taste of A, B, and C. So let's get to know today's contenders. First up, we got Betty Crocker. Next up, I went a little fancy and we're doing the Ghiradelli. And last, we have good old-fashioned Pillsbury. Woohoo! As for time, ease, and cleanup, this was a three-way tie. You basically just mix together the brownie mix, water, oil, and eggs, and pour it into a well-greased pan and bake, and that's pretty much it. They all took the same amount of time and were all super easy. And as for cleanup, just a few dishes and a little trash.
They really all look the same.
Yeah.
C looked most like fudge.
That one's lighter.
Okay, as for appearance, based on looks alone, Betty Crocker and Ghirardelli tied for runner-up with 3 out of 10 votes, and Pillsbury won by 1 point with 4 out of 10 votes.
Oh, yeah, we know who our winner is. I made the whole thing.
That's really disgusting.
That was worse.
A and B were okay and they were good brownies, but they just weren't as good as C.
A for me was the worst. A and B were similar, both dry.
So like A and B were a little dry.
These, which were a little drier.
That one needs milk. That one needs a lot of milk.
It's not dry like A and B.
They were really dense and dry.
A tasted a little dry.
They were disgusting and tasteless and oh.
B was just a little boring.
C? Oh my God, C was so good.
So yeah, C is the best by far.
I'm gonna have more C.
C looks exactly like the ones you make from a box.
C was delish. C was so moist and so sweet
I bet I know what C is.
and so rich and so tasty.
C was good. I ate all the C and then not the other ones.
And so creamy and just like melted in my mouth.
It was like cakey and fudgy and had a crispy top.
I'm in heaven. This is really good, this one.
If I had to eat a brownie with a little bit of vanilla ice cream, some walnuts on top.
I just wanted to like eat the whole plate and eat all of it. C was so good.
And moist is such a great word to describe things, and people hate it, but that's what that was. That was a moist brownie.
That was a moist brownie.
Thought C was the most moist.
Very moist.
And this one was just very moist.
The unanimous winner with 10 out of 10 votes was Pillsbury. It was ultra moist, soft, and super fudgy with a sweet, rich, chocolatey, melt-in-your-mouth flavor.
C, 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 C.
So the Ghiradelli was by far the most expensive, and since they're known for their chocolate, I thought it was definitely going to be the best tasting. It was $3.79, and since Pillsbury was on sale for $1.99, it tied with Betty Crocker for the cheapest. As for ingredients, it was another three-way tie. They all just needed the box mix, water, oil, and eggs. So now we tally everything up for the final score. We are giving 1 point for the best price, 1 point for the fewest, easiest ingredients, 1 point for the quickest time to make and clean up and just ease overall, 1 point based on appearance alone and like how appetizing it looks just by looking at it, and 3 points for the best taste in our blind taste test. So the winner, Pillsbury, for an incomparable taste. The Pillsbury didn't even look that much different than the other two, but the flavor by far blew the competition out of the water. It was so good, you guys. And it was the only one that really tasted fudgy, which was advertised on all of them on the box. All right, if you guys liked this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it, and go check out my other taste test videos, because if you liked this one, you're gonna love those too. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see in the next Taste Test Showdown. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Alrighty, you guys have been loving them. Today's YouTube video, we're doing another Taste Test Showdown. This time, we're doing what is the best boxed brownie mix at the grocery store. I had a bunch of guests come over to do the blind taste test. Check out the video.